Thank you for watching my video for the memory of rain. This piece is very near and dear to my heart. It was inspired by a rainy Saturday morning and took 3 days to paint. It was inspired by a moment where I was just still and listening to the rain and enjoying being present. I'm often not present. I'm thinking about what comes next, how to make something better, how I could have done something better, what X, Y, and Z is, how X, Y, and Z affects the universe. So to just be still and listen to the rain and be present was redefining and was a wonderful memory that I have now. And thankfully it rains a lot in Savannah, so I'm reminded quite a bit to find that stillness every day. Thank you to all those who have liked, subscribed, posted, commented, shared, all of that wonderful stuff. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and subscribe below. That way you can see new material every first Sunday. Do have to apologize for being late this month. Progress reports were kind of due. Wanted to keep my day job. If you are interested in getting into my headspace, down in the descriptions tab below this video there's a Spotify link. If you follow that link to, well, Spotify, then you'll get the playlist that I had on repeat while I was creating Memory of Rain. Getting into somebody's headspace can be a little dangerous. Viewer's discretion at your own risk. Last but not least, thank you to all those who have served, those who are serving, and those who will yet serve. Thank you to your families, your children, and your mothers and fathers that sacrifice for this country right along with you. I am beyond words grateful for all that you do. Happy Veterans Day.